In this video, I'll show you where the negative sign is on the TI84 graphing calculator. We'll type in the number -3 and then we'll enter the expression 5 minus -2. The negative sign is on the bottom row of the calculator to the left of the enter button. To enter a -3, select the negative sign and then select 3. If we click enter, you'll notice that the number is displayed in the main window to the right side of the screen. Now let's enter the expression 5 minus -2. Select 5. Now we need to select the subtraction operation, and the subtraction sign is actually different than the negative sign. The subtraction sign is over here on the right side of the calculator with the rest of your operations, so division, multiplication, there's subtraction, and then addition is below it. So we have 5 minus, and now we need to select a -2. Notice in the main window that the subtraction operation is actually a longer dash than the negative sign. And the other fun fact is that the subtraction sign, or whatever operation you use, is always in front of the negative sign of the number that follows. All right, now let's select enter, and you'll notice the answer of 7 is displayed in the main window. I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If there are other features of the TI84 calculator that you'd like to learn more about, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.